Are you a preschool dance teacher or studio owner looking to boost your enrollment of young dancers ages 2 to 5? Picture this. It's a Thursday evening and you're standing in front of a group of 3 to 5-year-olds who are more interested in running around the room than following your important directions, which totally frustrates you. Meanwhile, you look at their parents who could care less about their kids not listening and are on the phone juggling through their busy schedules. They don't even want to commit to a full year's class. You start wondering, how can I keep these little ones engaged while keeping things easy for their parents? Or not. Maybe saying or thinking some other things that we're not going to mention. But that's exactly why I created the Princess Pre-Ballet curriculum. Hi, I'm Veronica Vasquez, and after 8 years of teaching dance to preschoolers, I've been right where you are. And I developed this program after years of testing and refining, and since 2018, it's been proven to work across different industries with small children and busy parents, and here's how it works. Competing with other enrichment classes throughout the year, don't worry about that anymore. We've got you covered. We know it can be tough. With the Princess Pre-Ballet curriculum, you'll stand out by offering fun, engaging classes that don't add stress to your existing recital schedule. Here is how. Plug and play, perfect for your instructors. Everything is set, my curriculum is set and ready to go, and it fits with beginning to advanced instructors. Flexible schedule calendar, it runs side-by-side program that doesn't mess with your annual recital prep, but it runs along with it. Stress-free for parents and kids, no full year commitment, perfect for families who just want a short-term enriching experience. Yes, you can offer that, and you will be okay. It'll boost your enrollments, take away the headaches, help you be more empathetic, and get ahead of the competition with a curriculum like mine that makes it easy for your studio to shine and grow. So let's make the magic happen in your studio together, and check the button below. See you soon.